and welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withal. For anybody who's watched any of my previous videos, you'll know that I'm not always exactly elegant. That's because I leave elegance to Burstner, especially in the form of the Burstner Elegance i920g. Come with me, or I'll show you around. The garage area of the Burstner Elegance 920g is absolutely huge. It's got a weight capacity of 350 kilos. There's even a 3-bike bike rack on the rear of this motorhome. The double-floored Burstner i920 allows you a belly locker, great for storing those items underneath the floor that's too long really to go into the garage area. Surfboards, parasols, things like that, ideal. The Burstner also comes with a barbecue point, alloy wheels, full-length awning and a reverse camera. What's not to like? The Mercedes cab is also in true timing of the Elegance name. These really comfortable leather upholstery seats can rotate and are height adjustable. The Mercedes infotainment got DAB radio and also entertains the reverse monitor. The radio controlled steering wheel. Everything about this is pure elegance. In the evenings of the integrated Burstner, we have an electric drop-down bed that goes over the dashboard, freeing up your lounge. There's also an electric cab blind, great for privacy or keeping the sun out on the sunnier days. The Burstner Elegance kitchen wouldn't go amiss in a British brand. It's got a combination oven grill, 3 gas burners, fridge, freezer, air con unit and an omni vent. The bedroom area can be closed off by this sliding door, which then leaves a separate shower and toilet area. The toilet uses the Indus system, which then takes the waste from the toilet straight into your wastewater tank. Ingenious. This really comfortable island bed uses a carrowing system, so you're guaranteed a great night's sleep. See even more of this magnificent Burstner Elegance, why don't you visit us here at TMD Motorhomes in Withal. We're open 6 days a week for viewing.